Ni hao, foodies. Today, we are soaring into the realm of Chinese cuisine with a culinary masterpiece, irresistible sweet and sour chicken. Imagine tender chicken bites coated in a vibrant sweet and tangy sauce. It's a dragon delight you won't be able to resist. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this flavorful and delightful journey. But before we take flight into this Chinese delight, let's gather our ingredients. For marination, 500 grams chicken breast chopped to cubes, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon flour, 1 egg. For the sauce, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon garlic, chopped, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce, 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, red food color pinch, salt to taste, sesame seeds for garnishing. Marinate the chicken with salt, red chili flakes, black pepper powder, ginger and garlic paste, corn flour, flour and egg. Deep fry the chicken until it's golden in color. Keep aside. In another pan, heat oil, add chopped garlic. Once it's aromatic, add all the sauces and spices, soy sauce, vinegar, chili garlic sauce, tomato sauce, red chili powder, black pepper powder, Chinese salt and normal salt to taste, and cook on medium flame until everything is combined. Add water if sauce is too thick or you want it a bit saucy. Now add fried chicken and toss well in the sauce. Sprinkle sesame seeds for garnish. And there you have it, irresistible sweet and sour chicken, a dragon delight ready to be devoured. If you're ready to bring the flavors of China to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more international recipes. Enjoy this flavorful and delightful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!